So I'm Rosie and I'm at the Samuel Leeds Financial Freedom Challenge. Oh, so we're learning how to become financially free through property, rent to rent, serviced accommodation, HMOs, lots of different avenues of income.
How is Samuel doing this stage? What's it like being taught by him?
It's really inspiring, and I think just being around so many like-minded people that, like, day to day, that's not who I socialise with. So I've only just joined the academy, like literally not even an hour ago, and I think just being surrounded by all the other academy members has really shown me the benefit of becoming involved in the academy. Yeah. Literally mind-blowing. Like, as I said, like, this is not like what I usually do. This is not who I spend my time with. So actually seeing people like non-stop working, like even in the evenings, people are sat there on their laptops, they're making the calls, and it literally just shows you how motivated people are to succeed and to make like this line of business work. And actually like hearing people make the calls and getting the yeses, and I've made a couple of calls myself to estate agents, and just having those conversations and hearing their answers, it actually just shows you that this is possible. Like sometimes what you're being told actually does sound too good to be true, and it's only when you actually start involving yourself and having those conversations yourself that you actually realise, no, this isn't too good to be true, this could actually be reality. Yeah, just do it. Like, it's when you're outside of this industry, looking into it, it is a lot of money to invest without knowing what you're going to get out of it. But once you actually come down, you see the value, you speak to others, you see what they're making from being involved in property. And as I say, it sounds too good to be true until you start involving yourself and actually seeing that it is possible.